Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate brand intro video templates in Adobe Premiere Pro. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Navigate to the Essential Graphics panel on the right side of the workspace. If the panel is not visible, go to Window in the top menu and select Essential Graphics. In the Essential Graphics panel, click on the Browse tab. Here, you will find various pre-installed motion graphics templates. To find brand intro video templates, use the search bar at the top. Type brand intro and press enter to see the available templates. Select a template that fits your brand style. Once you've chosen a template, click on it to preview. To add it to your timeline, drag the template into the sequence. After placing it in the timeline, you might want to adjust its duration. To edit the text, click on the text layer in the Essential Graphics panel. Make your desired changes to the text, font, and size. You can also change the colors to match your branding. Click on the Layer tab to access additional customization options if needed. To preview your changes, move the playhead in the timeline and hit the spacebar. If everything looks good, navigate to File in the top left corner. Select Export and then Media to begin rendering your video. Adjust the export settings as needed, then click Export to finalize your video. Your brand intro is now activated and ready for use in your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.